Let's see four stocks for tomorrow, that is on 19th of May. The first stock in the list is Shriram Transport. If you look at the daily chart, you can clearly see that Shriram Transport was trading around this range. In today's session, it has broken out of this range. Now there is a strong support near 570. If in tomorrow's session Shriram Transport can go down below 570, I expect the stock to find a daily support near 548 to 540. So tomorrow could be another great opportunity to earn some decent profit in downside in Shriram Transport. Second stock for tomorrow is BPCL. In daily chart you can clearly see that BPCL was in continuous downtrend in a week or two. It was consolidating around this range in daily chart. Now that it has broken out of this range, I see no support in daily chart before 286. So tomorrow could be another great opportunity to sell in BPCL. Moreover, if I access the stock in monthly chart, you can clearly see that the nearest support level is around 273. So this is an important level for BPCL for intraday basis. The third stock in the list is Cipla Limited. In daily chart you can see lot of bearish candles than bullish candles, which signifies that there are more sellers and buyers in the stock. But if you look at the volumes of bullish candles, you can see that the volumes are significantly higher than the bearish candles, which means that there are buyers present in the stock. They are just looking for a profitable entry point. Moreover, in today's session, Cipla made a strong bullish candle with significant volume, which is an indication of buyers are catching up the momentum. And in tomorrow's session, if price can go beyond today's high, which is 604.60, I expect it to go at least to 614. So tomorrow could be another great opportunity to pick up some points in the upside. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow is Mindtree Limited. In daily chart, the stock made a strong bullish candle in today's session with volumes higher than volumes compared to previous session, which is a clear indication of strong momentum in upside and presence of strong initiating buyers in the stock. Currently stock is trading at the market price of 882.15. I expect the stock to trade around the levels of 900 and even go beyond that at the end of the tomorrow's session. So look to buy Mindtree in tomorrow's session. If you want to know exact levels in all these four stocks, you can like and follow my Facebook page. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.